With Simply Stamp's huge selection of stamps, we want to make sure that you're choosing the stamp that's right for you. All of our address and our logo stamps come in 3 different options: wood handle, self-inking, and pre-inked. Each has their own advantages depending on how you're going to use their stamp. So let's walk through it. Our wood handle stamps are our least expensive, but remember, you're also going to have to buy an ink pad to go along with it. Something to consider is that this stamp relies on your hand pressure, so you might not get a perfect impression. However, some people really like that old school rubber stamp look. A self-inking stamper is a space saver. It comes with the ink cartridge already inside, loaded and assembled, so it's ready to go. The cartridges are also removable in case you want to switch up your ink color or if you run out of ink. It gives you a really nice, crisp, clean, and clear impression every single time. It's great for a lot of rapid stamping, and it really won't fade over time. So it's a really good option. This is our pre-ink stamp, and our pre-ink stamp delivers 50,000 impressions, which is unbelievable. It's a really good value for your money. It's also very quiet. The ink is inside the die. So there's no better stamp to deliver a really high quality impression. So there you have it, our 3 different options: our wood handle, our self-inking, and our pre-inked. Best of all, you can have your stamp really fast. All of our personalized and custom stamps ship next business day, so you'll get it super quick. If you have any questions, you can contact our customer focus team, or to purchase, go online at simplystamps.com.